Autumn is perhaps the most important time of year for any serious gardener. While most people think that nothing special happens in the garden after the last harvest, true connoisseurs know that right now we are laying the foundation for a successful season ahead. The earth has become tired after the summer, depleted of nutrients, and now needs renewal, just as we need rest and a good meal after a hard day. If you leave the earth uncultivated, you risk having weaker and slower germination in the spring, smaller fruits, and more sensitive plants. But if you help it now, it will reward you with an abundance of healthy and tasty fruits next year. Autumn is the time when we restore strength to the earth, when we feed it, aerate it, and introduce additional minerals into it. Many gardeners add manure, compost ash, or grass clippings, but few know that it is in the kitchen that lies a real treasure for our earth. Something that acts as a natural antibiotic and prevents the development of many fungi and diseases that can overwinter in the soil. If you want your tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and all other plants to be stronger and more resilient, stay until the end, because now I'm revealing a special recipe that will change your garden. Recipe with turmeric for autumn soil preparation. Take 10 liters of water, add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Mix well and pour this liquid over the soil in the places where you plan to plant in the spring. Turmeric will destroy pathogenic fungi, prevent rotting, and enrich the soil with natural compounds that help plants grow better. In this way, your soil rests over the winter. And in the spring it wakes up healthy and ready for the new season. Friends, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you.